Hi, welcome again. So in this video we will be working on the UI as promised. So okay, so now let's move to close all this file, and let's go to the view and pages, and here we will be having books.pages. Okay, so now instead of writing it in the list group, we will be working with a row in the Bootstrap. So just copy this one, copy this thing again, and change it to row. Now row will take one div. Here we have to copy everything, this thing, write it down here. Okay, now format this. Here you have to delete, just delete this li, because we don't require li now. Here you have to add class and make it is called sm3, so that it will show for item in the grid. So you can learn grid from that website, Bootstrap 3 website. Okay, so this is done. Now let me just show you how this is currently looking. So okay, look, this has changed into the grid by making these changes in the Bootstrap. Now what I want some padding and margin, because this is overlapping. So just make that. Okay, how can you do that? So just add one more class here, name book grid or book item. You can say book item. Okay, book item, copy this one, or do one more thing. We will add one more class. Inside that class we will add this thing, and maybe we can add class name as book body. Okay, and make one more class div, and we will add book footer here. Okay, format. So we will be adding one button here, like to user to add purchase this book. So let's just add that button. href / books / purchase. Okay, here you can add okay, close this one, and okay, so this one looks fine. Okay, here we can add class button and button info. Okay, so I think let's just refresh this and check how this is looking. Look, there is one button purchase, and spacing, we are facing a spacing issue, right? So let's just copy this thing, copy this class name book body, or let's just copy this thing book item. Go to public style.css. here add some you can add padding 5 pixel maybe. Okay, so this one is okay. Align item center, make item. No, this one is not working. So how to make align item? Okay, so let me just search how to make item center aligned. Align item center, Okay, how can you do that? So text. Okay, so we can use one more property, which is text align and center. Maybe this will work. Okay, yeah, this worked. Add margin bottom 5 pixel. Okay, and if you want, you can add background color, some color. Okay, I think this is fine. We can work on the UI, or you can try a different UI if you want, but this is fine as per our application. So this look nice. I don't know, we have added one route as well. We will be creating this route because we have not created this route yet. So in the next video we will be creating this route. Okay, so we will be creating two routes actually. So one for user to purchase book and one for user to return book. Return book information we will be adding it into the user profile section, which we have created this profile.hps. Here we will be adding feature to return book. This one is to purchase book. So in the next video we will be creating controller, purchase controller and return controller, which will be inside the book controller. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. It helps me a lot to make new videos. It keeps me motivated. Thank you so much.